finally nakapag-vlog na ako. Kahapon nag-vlog ako, pero kaunti lang yun kasi gusto namin i-enjoy yung beach and wala kami masyadong ganap. We were just in the beach yesterday. And then after going back to the hotel and just relax in the swimming pool. And yeah, yun lang yung ginawa namin kahapon. And I did not close the vlog, so it's for sure. Oh my god, this is so scary. Why I am? This is so scary. It's not a joke. Okay, anyway. So yeah, yesterday, that's it. That's what we did yesterday. Wala masyadong ganap. But for today, we will have our tour later at 3 p.m. until 6 p.m. So as of now, we're going back to the hotel and get our stuff ready. And then, yeah, I hope I'm gonna close this vlog today. And then from the other day when we fly here, hindi ako ang tawag doon, hindi ko rin na-close yung vlog. So, ang mangyayari is pagsasamahin ko yung vlog nung paalis kami at nung nandito na kami. Nung nasa beach na kami para medyo maganda-ganda o yung ganap. But as of now, yeah, yun pa lang muna yung update ko. Then, I'll see you guys later when we're going back. Just a little bit later. Going back to the hotel now. Get our stuff. Eat something. And then maybe we're going to one of their museum. And then go to the tour. So, I'll see you guys later. One sec. Bye-bye. Oh, finally guys, natapos din. My God, ang hirap. So, kasi tapos na din. Sobrang napagod ako. Hindi kami nakita ng dolphins. Tapos, ang ano ba, makikita nyo sa video na ang alon-alon. Itong gusto kong to vomit. And because I drink iced tea, I'm not supposed to drink an iced tea. Because I feel thirsty. So I drink. And what happened to me all the way there, I can't even burp. And then, na maka-burp. Tapos, makahinga ng maayos. So, I just let it go. Lalo na pag kayo humihinto kami, na papasok kami sa mga caves. So, parang, I don't like the feeling. Para akong, ewan ko, parang hinihele na pinapasuka talaga ako eh. Pero, this guy, I think nag-enjoy siya. Monzi, where are you going?